Hello. Well, here you can see we have a big measuring bag. Okay, and on the measuring bag, you can see at one end you have markings 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, etc. Well, those are liters. So this is 1 liter, that is 2 liters, and 1.5 that represents 1.5 liters. All right, so the way this is going to work, the procedure part of it is on one end, this is closed. Okay, that is at the end where there's 1. On the other end, okay, it goes up to 6 liters. On the other end, it's open. All right, you see that? So what you're going to do is, this is the mouthpiece. Okay, you can see through it. What you're going to do is take this out of rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol is there to kill all the germs. Once it goes in there, the alcohol basically destroys all the germs in there, so that allows the next person to use it safely. You take it out of the rubbing alcohol, and you want to make sure that there's no air in here from the last person that did the experiment. So what you want to do is just use your hand, okay? And I would work on a table and just squeeze out all of the air, okay? Squeeze out all of the air so you have a fair trial. Don't use your leg, use a desk or something. Okay, you're gonna take the end. All right, then you're going to take the tip of your measuring bag and the tip of your mouthpiece, and you're gonna place it into the bag here like that. Okay, you don't have to wrap it completely all the way up, just so that it fills about halfway. And then you seal it off nice and tight there. Then you breathe out of your mouth, out of your lungs. Breathe in slowly to fill up all your lungs with as much air as possible. Okay. And then exhale all of the air from your lungs into the mouthpiece, which is going to go into the bag. Okay. Then when you're done, when you've exhaled as much, then you're going to take this and squeeze all of the air down as far as possible. Okay. And then you'll have a little balloon at the end, if there's air in here. And where it measures, where it stops, well, that's how much air your lungs can hold. All right, so let's do this for real. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to squeeze the air down. Okay, the better you squeeze, the more accurate you can get, more accurate reading you can get. And as you can see there, so it's almost done. I have very small lungs, as you can see. That I'm going to read that. So that's 3.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, about 3.5 liters of air. That's how much my lungs can hold. That's pretty small. All right. So when I do sports, I need to breathe a lot. Okay. So you do that once, and that's your trial. Okay, just so you get the hang of it, and then you empty it again using the same procedure. Just take it and squeeze all of the air out. Okay. Use the mouthpiece. Do the same thing with the other end of the measuring bag, and do it a second time, and the second time is your real official measurement. Once you have done your official measurement, take your closest reading to the nearest tenth of a decimal place, or the 1 decimal place, and then record that on the Google, what is it called? The Google chart, okay? Or the Google Sheets. Thank you. That's it for the procedure.